bioscan. Scan complete.
My friend, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You're now standing in my private office.
I know!
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy, and after let's you this guy! Hearing your incessant clattering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan! What? Of course I escaped! For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rockin, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you and starts things right. Show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay, I got That's thematically inconsistent. Power restored. Yes, right. You got my walk there. Yeah.
Hey guys, ready to go?
Ride's here. Thanks, everybody. See ya. We are out of here. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Why are you thinking that? You barely sent it. You did nothing. We did all the fighting. You did not help us at all. You should be thanking me.